Hi there, fellow foodies! Today we are diving into the world of cinnamon rolls, those delicious, sweet and gooey treats that makes our taste buds sing. Whether you're a fan of a classic cinnamon roll or enjoy experimenting with fun twists and toppings, this video is for you. Get ready to drool as I show you step by step how to make the perfect cinnamon rolls, from the soft and fluffy dough to the rich and aromatic filling. So grab your apron and let's get baking. It's going to be easy peasy. For this recipe we're going to use 50 grams of yeast, a cup of Luke whole milk, 50 grams of sugar, a small teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, some cardamom, 500 grams of flour and 100 grams of softened butter. For the filling we are going to use 200 grams of softened butter, 200 grams of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. So to begin with, we're going to warm up our whole milk. It has to be lukewarm. A cup of milk, 200 milliliters approximately. So let's warm up the milk. Perfect. So first we're going to add the milk and the yeast to the mixing bowl. Make sure it's all been dissolved. Now it's time to add the sugar, the salt, the eggs and the cardamom. Make sure it's all mixed well. And now we're going to add the 500 grams of flour. Put it in the mixer. We're going to knead the dough until it's consistent and soft. For the best result, this approximately takes 10 minutes in the mixer. While we are mixing it, cut 100 grams of softened butter into nice squares. We're going to add to the mixer as well. So when the dough has been mixed well for 10 minutes, it's time to let it rest. So we'll just put a cloth over it and let it rest for approximately an hour or until it's rise to the double size. And now it's time to prepare the filling for the cinnamon rolls. 200 grams of butter, just heat it up so it's melting a bit, with 200 grams of brown sugar. I like to put in a cinnamon stick. Can't get enough cinnamon. And then approximately a tablespoon of cinnamon as well. When it's all melted, the butter and the brown sugar, put it aside and let it cool off until the dough is ready. It has now been approximately 1 hour and it's time to roll out the dough. So make sure it's covered in flour, not too much. And then we have to roll it out in a square. And now we are beginning to fill in the stuffing. Just spread it out evenly. And it's time to begin to roll it together. Take a sharp knife and cut it. Place them in the pan. It can be a bit messy, don't mind that. And now they have to rest for approximately 30 minutes till they rise into double size, and then we are ready to bake them. While the cinnamon rolls are resting, let's beat up an egg. With a dash of milk. So we're going to apply this to the cinnamon rolls before they're going to the oven. Now we're going to brush the cinnamon roll with the beaten egg and milk wash. That will give them a nice golden color. And now they're ready to go into the oven. And now it's time for a tasty treat. Wow.
Wow, that's good. It tastes good.
Very delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did making it. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to make delicious cinnamon rolls. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your cinnamon rolls turned out perfectly, just like mine. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes. If you have any suggestions or requests for future videos, please leave them in the comment below. Thanks again for watching and happy baking. That's easy peasy.